Hi, I'm Chelsea.
And I'm Aaron here at Crosby Volkswagen in Kitchener. Let's talk about genuine Volkswagen roof-based carrier bars.
Designed to perfectly fit your Volkswagen, they serve as the base for any attachments you might add for exterior storage and transportation.
You can add on a bike rack, boat rack, cargo boxes, or ski racks. They're also quite easy to install, and we are going to show you how to install them on a vehicle with roof rails and without.
Let's start off with a vehicle that has no roof rails.
On the underside of your roof-based carrier bars, you will find a sticker. This sticker will indicate which side and where it should be placed on your vehicle. Next, open both doors and remove the outer casings from the carrier bars. On the front and back of your vehicle, you will find a bumper depression within the door frame. This is where you will line up and place your base carrier bars. If a plastic plug is present, unscrew it and store it within your glove box or wheel bolt box. Now, hand tighten the screws evenly on both sides. Take your Allen key and screw it tight until you hear a click. Lastly, place your casing back on and lock it in with your key. If you are not attaching a bike rack, the black rubber band will slide right through the middle.
Now let's move on to a vehicle with roof rails.
First, you will line your roof-based carrier bars near the back end of your vehicle's front and rear doors. Take your key and unlock the outer casing. Then take your Allen key to loosen it until it is wrapped around your roof bar. Next, tighten it up and do this to both sides.
There you have it. You have successfully installed your roof carrier bars and are ready for those outdoor adventures.
For more information or any questions, feel free to give us a call or visit us at crosbyvw.com.
Volkswagen.